In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the total value of your Steam account. The most reliable way to understand what your account is worth in plain monetary terms is to look at what you've actually spent on it. Steam provides this directly through its support pages, so you get an official, accurate figure without guesswork or third-party tools. Start by opening Steam and going to the top left menu. Click Help, then choose Steam Support. On the support page, select My Account. Next, open data related to your Steam account, and finally, select Purchase History. This brings you to a detailed view of all the transactions associated with your account. Here, Steam shows your spending in your local currency and lists purchases like games, DLC, in-game items processed through Steam, and wallet top-ups. Refunds are accounted for, so what you see reflects your net spending, not just gross charges. If a total amount is shown on that page, that figure is the clearest snapshot of what you've put into this account over time, which is the best proxy for its overall value. If you don't see what you expect, make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Steam keeps each account's purchases separate, and there's no combined view across multiple accounts. A few helpful notes for context. If you have redeemed product keys from other stores, those items won't increase your Steam spending total, because no funds move through Steam for them. Gifts you bought for others typically count toward your spending, but gifts you received do not. If you've ever changed regions, you might see historical entries in different currencies. Steam normalizes totals so you still get a consistent number. And if you prefer a browser, you can sign into the official Steam website and follow the same Help to Steam support path to reach purchase history. Security matters here too. Only access these pages through the official Steam client or the legitimate Steam website. Avoid look-alike pages, and never share your credentials. If something seems off, back out and verify the URL or relaunch the client. Remember, total value, in this context, means what you've actually spent. It doesn't represent what an account or inventory could be resold for, and selling accounts is against Steam's terms. It also doesn't assign current market prices to your library. Game values can change over time. Treat this as your definitive spending record. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.